here from Kids Cook Real Food, and my mission today is to encourage you kids to eat the rainbow. Now, don't get that confused with Taste the Rainbow, which is a commercial for stuff with sugar and lots of fake colors. No, we're talking real colors today. The real rainbow as it grows in nature. Now, why are we going to do this? Because different foods with different colors have different superpowers. Some colors are going to help you be healthier, some colors are going to make your brain smarter, some colors will help your eyes see better, some colors will help you fight disease if you might be getting sick. It's so amazing, and what we have to do is get lots of them in during the day. Our family loves this little book, and niece loves green food, and she talks all about green foods like leeks and kale, and there's lettuce and pea pods. Those are so good, and green beans, we eat them cooked or even raw. There's so many green foods. This is just a small piece. But we've got to eat lots of colors, right? We're going to eat the whole rainbow. So for example, orange. We all know that carrots are orange, but check this out. Did you know that there's also purple carrots and even white carrots? How cool is that? And each color of carrot has some different superpowers. The purple color, anything with this deep purple color like this, will help you fight really big bad diseases. So eat your purple carrots, purple cabbage, blueberries, all that stuff. Look at the red colors we have. Red peppers, red tomato. You can get big ones, you can get cherry tomatoes. Get your reds in strawberries and raspberries and all sorts of beautiful fruits. Yellow peppers are the rainbow all by themselves practically. There's yellow peppers and orange peppers. You can get white even in cauliflower, or things like a green cabbage is almost white. Onions. There are so many colors of the rainbow that I'm going to challenge you to see if you can get the most number of colors on your plate at dinner in your family, or how many colors are in your lunchbox at school. Can you get more than one color from the rainbow, from fruits and vegetables, into your snack? That can be a hard one, but I think you can do it. Challenge yourself to count your colors, try to get all the pieces of the rainbow, and try really hard to get 5 or even 6, 7, 8, or 9 different kinds of fruits and vegetables into your day, because they're going to help your body stay healthy, they're going to help your mind think better, and they're going to help you grow up into that big kid that you really want to be. Let's eat that rainbow and get all those fruits and vegetables into our day.